Ever found yourself staring at the ZenBusiness login page, feeling a little lost? Maybe you're a new entrepreneur, fresh off the excitement of registering your business, and now you're wondering how to actually access all those fantastic tools and services ZenBusiness promises. Or perhaps you're a seasoned pro coming back after a break, and the login details have, well, decided to play hide and seek with your memory. If you've ever experienced that slight moment of, oh, how do I get in? Then you're in the right place. Today, we're cutting straight to the chase and demystifying the ZenBusiness login process. It's remarkably simple once you know the steps, but like anything new, that first time can feel like navigating a maze. Whether you're trying to check your compliance dashboard, access your documents, or manage your registered agent service, logging into your ZenBusiness account is your gateway. We'll walk through it step by step, ensuring you can confidently and quickly access everything you need to keep your business running smoothly. So, let's dive in and get you logged into ZenBusiness. The journey begins, as most digital journeys do, with your web browser. You'll want to navigate to the official ZenBusiness website. The easiest way to do this is by typing ZenBusiness directly into your search engine of choice, Google, Bing, DuckDuckGo, whatever you prefer. Look for the result that clearly states zenbusiness.com or a similar official-looking URL. Be wary of any lookalike sites. Always double-check the URL to ensure you're on the legitimate ZenBusiness platform. Once you're on their homepage, you'll typically find a prominent login or sign-in button. This is usually located in the top right-hand corner of the page, a common design convention for most websites. Give that a click, and you'll be whisked away to the login portal. Now you're on the dedicated ZenBusiness login page. This is where the magic happens, or at least where you provide the credentials to unlock your account. You'll notice two primary fields staring back at you, email address and password. Let's talk about your email address first. This is the email address you used when you initially signed up for ZenBusiness. It's crucial to use the exact email address. Even a tiny typo, a misplaced, a capitalized letter that should be lowercase, an extra character will prevent you from logging in. If you have multiple email addresses, take a moment to recall which one you linked to your ZenBusiness account. For many, this will be their primary business email or the one they typically use for important registrations. Next up, the password field. This is where you enter the secret key to your ZenBusiness kingdom. Just like with your email address, accuracy is paramount. Passwords are case-sensitive, meaning password 123 is entirely different from password 123. Pay close attention to any capitalization, numbers, or special characters you included when you set up your password. A common pitfall here is having caps lock accidentally enabled on your keyboard, which can lead to frustrating incorrect password messages. Before typing, quickly check your keyboard's caps lock indicator light. Once you've carefully entered both your email address and your password, you'll see a login or sign-in button, usually located directly below the password field. Give it a confident click. Now, what happens next? Ideally, you'll be seamlessly redirected to your ZenBusiness dashboard. This is your command center, where you can view your business information, track compliance deadlines, access important documents, and manage your services. Congratulations, you're in. But what if, despite your best efforts, you encounter a hurdle? Don't panic. This is a common experience, and ZenBusiness has built-in solutions to help. The most frequent issue is forgetting your password. Below the login fields, you'll almost always find a link that says something like, "Forgot password?" or "Trouble logging in?" This is your lifesaver. Clicking on this link will initiate the password recovery process. ZenBusiness will typically ask you to enter the email address associated with your account. Once you provide it, they'll send a password reset link to that email address. Head over to your email inbox and check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it immediately. Click the link, and you'll be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong, unique password that you'll remember, or, even better, use a password manager. Another less common, but still possible, scenario is forgetting which email address you used. If you've tried all your usual email addresses and none seem to work, you might need to reach out to ZenBusiness customer support. They can help you identify the email associated with your account, though for security reasons, they'll likely ask you some verification questions to confirm your identity before providing any information. This is standard procedure to protect your business data. Sometimes technical glitches can occur, though they are rare. If you're certain your credentials are correct and you're still unable to log in, try these troubleshooting steps. Clear your browser's cache and cookies. Accumulated data can sometimes interfere with website functionality. Try a different browser. If you're using Chrome, try Firefox or Edge, for example. This can help determine if the issue is browser-specific. Restart your computer or device. A simple reboot can often resolve temporary software hiccups. Check your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and active internet connection. If none of these solutions work, then contacting ZenBusiness customer support is your best next step. They have dedicated teams ready to assist with login issues and can provide personalized help. You can usually find their contact information, phone numbers, email support, or live chat options on their website, often in the Contact Us or Help Center sections. When you reach out, be prepared to provide as much detail as possible about the problem you're experiencing, including any error messages you've received. Once you're successfully logged in, take a moment to explore your dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll likely see sections for your registered agent service, annual report deadlines, important documents, and any other services you've subscribed to. ZenBusiness aims to make managing your business as straightforward as possible, and your dashboard is the central hub for all of that. Regularly logging in to check your compliance status and any notifications is a good habit to develop to ensure your business remains in good standing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.